Let's talk about position, displacement, distance covered, and the relations. Okay. So position is the location of an object at a particular time. Distance covered is the total length of the path traveled between 2 points, two positions. And displacement is the change in position of an object from its starting point to its ending point. Let's start with an example. The professor paced left and right while giving lecture. So let's say this is the I took origin at this point. So initial position is 1.5 meter, and the final position from the origin is 3.5 meter. So we can find the net or the total displacement equals x final minus x initial. That's how 3.5 meter minus 1.5 meter. So it will be 2 meter. So in this scenario, in this case, net displacement and the total distance covered is same thing. Okay. Now, let's go to another example. A cyclist rides 3 meter due west. Okay, let's say due west 3 kilometer, and then turns around and rides 2 kilometer due east. So 2 kilometer due east. In our coordinate system in general, we consider west as negative, east positive, north positive, and south negative. So in this case, net displacement will be minus 3 kilometer plus 2 kilometer, that equals minus 1 kilometer. So this negative sign will only telling us that it is net displacement is towards west. Let's go to find net distance covered. It will be 3 kilometer plus 2 kilometer equals 5 kilometer. Now, if you want to find the magnitude of the displacement, so this is the minus 1 kilometer mode, which is positive 1 kilometer. So in this case, displacement and distance covered are not same, they are different. So you can think about another example. Say this is the home. Say if I choose origin here at the home, this is the origin. So let's take origin, a starting point is the home. So initial position, x initial is equal to 0 meter. This is the initial position. I consider home as the origin of the coordinate system. Now, the person drives home to the friend's house. So final, say it is, say for example, 1,000 meter. This is the final position. Right? So in this case, we can see again, as before, net displacement. We can write final position minus initial position. In this case, it will be 1,000 minus 0 is basically 1,000 meter. And net displace and distance covered is also 1,000 meter, right? In third example, You can think of multiple choice questions. There are four options. We have to read carefully and choose the best possible answer and explain it. So that's how we can find the difference between distance covered and the net displacement.